Underground, what have I done to deserve this damnation? Who knows if you're the one to blame? 'Cause we don't even know your name. But you're here now and we've got temptations. We're only playing, just wanted to make a few new friends. You plan on staying, when you're with us the party never ends. You might look at me and think you're going crazy. I lost it long ago, you're not. Can't wait to meet you, so join the animatronic family. We open real soon. Try your best to hold on to sanity. Come get to know me, and you won't wanna leave after tonight. Down here we're lonely, and we would love you to join us for a ride. And we would love you to join us for a ride. And we would love you to join us for a ride. And we would love you to join us for a ride. And we would love you to join us for a ride.
Ha ha ha!